How to delete all Google Photos at once. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to delete all your Google Photos at once. So go to Google Photos app. After you open Google Photos app, as you can see now, like this one, now scroll all the way to down. Tap on this library section. In this library section now, as you can see now at the top, now it will give you this option here. It says photos on device. So here is all the photos on your device. Scroll to down. So now you can tap on this option for album. So in this album now, scroll to down and tap on this. Every photo under this album now, it is your photos that is on your Google Photos. So you can go ahead and select the album you want to delete. Let's say this one. After you open it, to now if I want to delete all these photos, I'll tap on this three dot. So tap on this select. So after you tap on this select, so now you can tap select all of them. So and tap on this three dot again. So tap on this move to trash, or you can just remove. So you can tap on this remove to trash. Now it will delete all the photos for you. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video, guys.